Guys, in about 30 seconds, we're going to go over to the Mac and I'm going to show you something in terms of an Ethereum chart that is going to blow your mind. It blew my mind. I'm at token 2049. I'm in Dubai. I'm going over to the conference in a minute. And we're going to talk about what some of the visionaries, exchange founders and blockchain pretty much founders, owners, CEOs are talking about when it comes to Ethereum right now. You can see here's the Burj Al Arab. Beautiful views. The conference is over there somewhere in Medina, Jumeirah. But more importantly, before I go there, I want to go over to the Mac. I'm going to show you the chart I'm looking at. And there's a few other things we need to talk about as Ethereum is breaking out right now. So let's go over there. Hit the like button, of course.
Right, so this is what we need to talk about. Not only, not only on the lower time frame are we seeing Ethereum break out of its range with the support at 1750, resistance at $1,820. We are seeing a bigger seismic shift. You can see how clearly we've bounced off the weekly support levels. And Ethereum is very much creating a trend reversal, which is just huge. So are we heading now to phase 2? Let me know in the comments. Everyone knows the capital, the money flow goes from Bitcoin to Ethereum to the large caps. I think we are about to see a big shift. And you can see that shift actually in a chart. For example, this is it's a bit of a boring chart, but let me add some color and light to it. It is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and we have a classic bullish divergence. This is Ethereum losing value against Bitcoin over the last couple of years, actually, but we now have the RSI strengthening. This is known as a bullish divergence. Now, in big news, before we go into the price actions, my trade, profits, charts, everything like that, it's important to mention the whales are buying. They've been gobbling up $50 million like it's nothing in Ethereum just today. So if you haven't already liked the video, do it for that reason alone. You can see on the daily chart, Ethereum has broken trend. It's actually, you can see it a bit easier on this chart. Look at this. We have major resistance play out from 2857, 2100, 80. We're now being supported. And not only have we got support, we've got multiple days of support. That's exactly what you want to see when we're building momentum, when we're building strength. This is why I have an Ethereum trade open, and not just any Ethereum trade. I'm using CoinM Perpetual. So I'm using Ethereum as the underlying margin. It's very sensible to do that in a bull market. Of course, if you want to do that, you can. Link in the description below the video where you'll find a link to Femex. I trade on there because it's the best UI, best UX, and no KYC. Plus, you'll get 20% back from your first deposit. So check that out. Link in the description down below. So the next important thing I want to show you before I go into some more interesting charts and price targets, just so everyone is aware, the Ethereum ecosystem is growing, and in the last 7 days, it surged 63%, a new all-time high for active addresses. Huge, guys. This is massive. No one's talking about this. It is a big deal, and it translates into the spot Ethereum ETFs as well. 3 days now of green ETF buying for Ethereum, the same as with Bitcoin. Big money is flowing back in, so it's really bullish. Also, very important to look at the weekly chart, because not only on the weekly are we seeing a major shift. If you switch this to the monthly chart and put in the monthly levels, look at this. We are finding new monthly support. Look at that candle. Look how bullish that is. We have new monthly support at the level of $1,821. That is really important to see. Total market cap, all crypto, has broken out in this cup and handle pattern. And also, if you look at the total too, which excludes Bitcoin, obviously includes Ethereum, we're about to break out into the above $2 trillion market cap for all cryptos minus Bitcoin. So this is huge. This is why I continue to hold an Ethereum long. I'm actually going to be adding to that trade. And earlier, I posted in the Telegram group, which is free, by the way, free signals. I posted this chart, which I think, not the XRP one, where I was posting about Ethereum. Where was it? It was this one. You can see that we are breaking this downtrend very clearly. So if you want my real-time signals, I'll leave a link in the description below for that as well. It is this one, all my trades. How bullish are you guys? Let me know in the comments. Please share this, like the video, and I will see you hopefully at Token 2049. If you're there, come and say hi, don't be shy. But if not, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.